Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. Today I'm come to teach you how you can cook perfect rice for your fried rice or fried jollof rice. This is the rice I'm using. I'm using 3 cups of rice and you will wash it. Yeah, I'm using dragon jasmine perfume rice. So you can use any perfume rice you prefer to use, but this is the perfect way you can cook your rice. And you transfer to the saucepan you are going to use to cook your rice, and you add 2 cups of water. I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers. May the Lord bless you. Yeah, welcome my newcomers. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and stay in this channel. You come to your home. Here you will learn more from this channel. Add a pinch of salt to it, please, because you are going to add some spices to your rice. That's why you need small salt to let the rice taste nice. And you add teaspoon of oil. Yeah, any oil you prefer you can add to it. Cooking oil you add to it. You stir it and you set your fire to medium high temperature. You cover it, let be cooked or let be boiled for 4 to 5 minutes or until you see no water on top of your rice. Then you open it, you take your rice fork or wooden spoon to turn the rice like this. Then after that, lower the heat to low temperature. Please, you lower it, you cover it for 2 to 3 minutes again. After 3 minutes, you cover it. After 3 minutes, you come back and you cover it with aluminium foil or kitchen clean towel. You used to cover it like this for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you come and check your rice. You see how nice it looks? Yeah, you can taste it. You can eat with stew or you can eat with sauce. Yeah, that's good way to cook your rice. You check how nice it's cooked. Enjoy with your fried rice or fried jollof rice. You can eat with soup, anything. This is perfect way to cook your rice. Yeah, please don't forget to follow, like, and share my Facebook page too. And you can follow me on Instagram too. You can follow me also there, and you can share it to your other platform, social media platform, and follow me on all my social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell there, like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.